When it comes to skincare, often I find that less ingredients is more effective. It's Alexandra with WTI, and I found a moisturizer that is simple and has nourishing ingredients. It's this beef tallow cream by the brand URQT. What I love the most is that it feels rich and deeply moisturizing. But once I massage it into my skin, it absorbs much better than expected. My skin feels soft, smooth, and hydrated for hours without feeling greasy at all. I love the texture. It's a creamy yet lightweight texture, similar to some sunscreens. I also appreciate that it's made with beef tallow, which has become really popular for people who prefer more traditional skincare ingredients. I've been using it on areas that tend to get especially dry, and it leaves my skin feeling comfortable and well moisturized. If you enjoy trying skincare with simple, nutrient rich ingredients and you're looking for something that provides long lasting hydration, this has been a great addition to my skincare collection. And that's my point of view.